And then, naisip ko, habang nasa barko ako, sabi ko, hanggang kailan ako magtatrabaho? Hanggang kailan ako malayo sa pamilya ko? Hanggang kailan ako sa barko? Yung mga ibang kasamahan ko, 50, 60 years old, na doon na tumubo mga patimbuhok nila, na doon pa rin sila sa barko. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako pwede maging gano'n. Now, I met Ivern. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, ito na yung bagong biyahe ko. Ito na yung bagong barko ko. Ito na yung next cruise ship ko. Hindi na siya cruise ship. This is entrepreneurship. That's why I want to share with you the company, how great company is. This is Ivern Corporation. It's more than 20 years na po sa pharmaceutical and multi-level marketing industry. This is multi-billion peso company. It has 700 self-made millionaires. So ibig sabihin po, 1 million na po yung kinita ng mga distributor po dito. And this is led by multi-awarded businessman. Ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo, sino po yung pinakamagaling, napakagaling na CEO and President natin, President Tumanita. Now, we have the office box. We encourage you to visit our office box sa Escriba Drive sa Pasig City along Shaw Boulevard.
Next slide mo na. Next slide.
Then, we have the warehouse. Yung warehouse. So, we have the warehouse 10 minutes away from the office. And then you can visit also. Our warehouse is a 1,200, very new, 1,200 square meter, FDA approved and ready for global shipping.
Expansion.
This is the actual photo of ng Hizon Laboratories, our toll manufacturing. So when you say Hizon Laboratory po sa pharmaceutical industry po, so Hizon Laboratory is very well known by the doctors. Kaya sa inyo pong tanongin ng mga doctors na kakilala nyo, when you say Hizon Laboratory, this is very well known. So, kaya po nang partner po si Ivern sa mga top pharmaceutical manufacturing po. Then, dito po ako nabilig sa company na to. So, ang ating is President CEO, Tumanitan. I work in the cruise ship, so I meet a lot of people, nationalities. And then, I meet CEO very often. So, sa buong 15 years ko siguro, na-meet ko yung CEO namin, mga 2 beses lang. Iba-ibang lahi po yun. Dito sa Ivern po, I met Sir Tumanitan at halos everyday pag pumunta ako sa office. So, he mentor us, he teach me how to do the business, and help us to grow our business sa distributor po. Mr. Tumanitan is a graduate ng BS Computer Science sa DLSU, and he has the master degree sa AIM, this Asian Institute of Management. He has a lot of awards. So, kung marunong po kayo mag-google, search po Tumanitan, lalabas po lahat ng mga awards ni Sir. Ganyan po kagaling ang ating President and CEO. Okay? And then, sa lahat po naman ng business, this is mandated by law na dapat we have the FDA approved to operate, SEC, DAR. That's how legit our company is. We have the awards of Bossing Awardee, Entrepreneurship. Yan po, Google na lang po yan. And then, Sir Tom featured in People's Asia Magazine, and then interview sa CNN, and then sa mga ibang sa social media like Discovery, no? You can search po. Lahat po yan sa internet. And then, ito po, bilib na bilib po ako dito. As a businessman, pag sinabi mo sa Go Negosyo, makikita mo si Sir Tom sa back of the book. Yung asawa lang po niya dito sa mga authors ng nandito sa Go Negosyo is mga movers and shakers ng ating bansa. Like mga Ayala, NDC, Gokong Way, Lopez. Ganun po Kasi believe ako talaga kay Sir Tamanitan. We have the partners with different companies like Union Bank. Kung sino pa yung mga credit card, kung wala pang credit card, pwede po kayo makipag-partner sa Union Bank. Yan, partner po natin sila. And then we have the Frutas, AutoHub, Samsung, then Secret Fresh, yung popular t-shirt po. Secret Fresh, kung alam po niyan, partner po natin. And we have Petrol and Vicky Bello. We have member of the DISAC. Ito po yung ibang companies. And then we have the Tesera and Angkas recently po. Ipag-partner tayo kay Angkas. Right. So, that's it for me. I hope